Hello everyone. Oh, whoops. So today, yes, I think I will be quitting because, to be honest, Animal Jam really isn't fun anymore. It's pretty boring. There's nothing to do around here. Plus, everyone has left me. And, yeah, most of my quote-unquote friends, don't even play Animal Jam. And so now, I guess it's my time to go. It's pretty boring, and I am really busy with homework. Yeah. I have a lot of homework, and I shouldn't be getting a lot. I don't know, I guess I'm just stupid. Which I clearly am. So yeah. I'm sorry I'm saying a lot. I just swear to God I have an issue with saying Yeah. Crap. So basically what I mean is I'm not gonna be playing Animal Jam anymore, and this is probably the last time you'll see me until the otters come out. So yeah. This game is really boring. There's nothing to do. And yeah. So bye, I guess. Oh yeah, one thing, I don't care that I'm using a screencast-o-matic. I'm too lazy to use a better editor or recorder and edit everything out. So yeah, bye.